Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video for you guys today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete your StockX account. So if you've been using StockX for a certain while but no longer want to use it and want to permanently shut your account, this is what you need to do. First of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the app on your mobile device and then head over to the app. As you head over to the app, also make sure that you're already logged into your account, and if you're already logged in, you will land on an interface that looks like this, where you can see that on the bottom right corner there's a profile icon. Tap on the profile icon and then go to help. As you go to help, you will basically land on an interface that will take you towards what exactly can StockX help you with. So on this section you can type in delete account and then tap on search. As you tap on search, they will display you a number of articles related to this. So wait for the interface to completely load, and the very first option you see is how do I delete or deactivate my account. So tap on the first article, and as you tap on the first article, you will now be directed towards the information. So here it says to delete just your account you have to visit the Trust Center. So tap on the Trust Center. As you tap on the Trust Center, you will now be directed towards another interface where what you can do is you can submit a request to delete your account. So tap on myself and then please select the type of request you'd like to submit. So tap on delete. Now after doing that, wait for a certain while. And here it says it will result in deletion of your personal data, to which the right ensure erasure applies. The deletion process is irrevocable. You can always review our privacy practices and our privacy policy. So read through this. Now all you need to do is enter your email address in this section, the same email address that you had previously used in order to sign up to your account. After doing this, enter the first name that you'd given to yourself, and then also enter the last name, and then also your username. After doing this, you can also choose if you're a CA or a EU resident, and then tap on I am not a robot. Then tap on the submit button. Your account will be sent for deletion. Here it says we've sent an email to the email address provided, to which I must respond within 30 minutes in order to continue my request. So all I have to do is go back to my Gmail and then see if I've received any sort of emails from StockX in order to carry on with the procedure of deleting my account. So here I'm just waiting if I received some. So I'm just gonna go and see in the primary section and see for myself if I've received any. So here, as I can see, I've already received an email. So I'm just gonna tap on it. And as I tap on it, here it says verify email. So I'm just going to tap on the verify email button. As I tap on the verify email button, I will now be allowed to open with a certain web browser. So I'm just going to tap on Google Chrome in order to open it. And after doing that, wait for a certain while until the interface completely loads. So for the deletion request, verification of your email ID is a must. So tap on begin verification. So enter your full name that you had previously used for your account over here. And after you enter your full name, all you have to do is you have to place your signature in this section. So place your signature over here and then tap on submit. So here it says that it's going to take a few seconds depending upon the connection, and after this what will happen is that your deletion request will have been sent. So this is basically how it works. It's quite a process, but I hope that by following the step-by-step instructions that I've given, you'll be able to delete your own account. I hope that this video has been of help to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also please hit that bell notification so that you get reminded every single time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around in the next video.